Hello everyone, welcome back with new video on Java programming. In this video, we are going to see the next statement in Java, that is conditional statement, that is nested if-else. What is use of the nested if-else statement? When we want to execute or check the condition inside the condition, then we'll use the nested if-else statement. That is, here you can see the syntax of the nested if-else statement. That is, first write the if block by checking one condition. If the condition gets true, then again inside the if we'll check the another condition. Let's see with the example start sts. Then in the existing conditional statement project, create one Java class. Give name nested if else. Check public method and click on finish. Then in that I'm going to declare one integer variable int var and assign value to. You can also take the input as dynamic, that is from the user by using the scanner class. In that I'm first writing the if block if, and the condition you can check according to variable or your scenario. I'm checking var is not equals to 0. If the condition true, then again I'm checking the another condition, that is if var is equals to, or also check the var mod 2 is equals to 0. That is, when we divide the variable by 2, then remainder will be 0. The condition true, then print the message. So you can write the block of code, that is the number is even. We can also call this program as even or odd numbers and just print the number, that is var. What happens? The first condition gets false, then else. If the number is equals to 0, then we can give the message or write whatever code we want to execute. I'm simply giving the message, that is number is equals to 0, or you have entered 0. Okay. Then if the condition get true, then it will again check the second condition, that is nested condition. And if this condition also get false, then we have the else block. In that we'll print this is an odd number or the number is odd. And the value of that variable. Just run the program by right click on the file. Then run as Java application. Here, just give the colon so it can divide the output. Again, save it and double quotes are missing. Then run it. Here you can see the number is even. So I am changing the value of the var, that is 3. Save and again rerun it. Here you can see the number is odd. I am changing as 0. It will execute the else block. Enter the 0. Save and run. Here you have entered the 0. Likewise, you can write multiple nested if-else condition inside the another if-else condition. I hope all understand the nested if-else statement in Java. Thank you so much for watching.